Welcome! If you want to find all your Instagram highlights history using the Instagram app on your PC with the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want to revisit your favorite memories or organize your profile, this guide will walk you through every step, making it easy and quick. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your personal content. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu. Click on the menu icon to open up more options. From the menu, find and select the option called Your Activity. This section is where Instagram stores all your interactions, making it easier than ever to manage your content. Inside Your Activity, look for the Photos and Videos section. Click on it to continue. Now, you'll see a new option labeled Highlights. Click on Highlights to open your entire highlights history. Here, you'll find all the highlights you've created over time, neatly organized and ready for you to browse. Take your time scrolling through your highlights. Each one is a collection of stories you've chosen to save, so you can relive those special moments whenever you like. If you're looking for a specific highlight, simply scroll until you find the one you want. Click on it, and all the stories within that highlight will be displayed for you to view. This new update makes it much more convenient to access and manage your highlights directly from your PC, giving you more control over your Instagram experience. Whether you're organizing your memories or just taking a trip down memory lane, your highlights are now just a few clicks away. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your Instagram highlights history with ease.